favorite people, and wow, what a last video we had building the frame. And now this time we've had our new benders in, so they've come in, and now we're going to build the outer structure that actually goes all the way around the frame. I've done a quick test bend, so they come out pretty cool. So I suppose we'll cut some metal and head out to the new benders. Back in the OG garage, and this is the bender I bought, eBay special, 157 quid. I had an old gate that I found, what I got hold of, and basically I just made that and welded it to it. Hey presto! Right, so first thing we've got to do is measure the frames to what levels we want, and then transfer it onto our sheet metal pre-cut, and then we will bend it in the benders. First lip we got is this top one, which is 5mm, so we'll transfer that onto the plate and we'll do our first bend. Put in the bender, we've got our 5mm either side, and now it's just a case of putting a bend in it. Bend, put it in, not too bad. So we've got to measure now, measure this little curve bit here. I know the lighting in here is absolutely crap, so we've got to measure what this curve here is, which is 13mm. So we'll measure that on the steel and then we'll bend that. And the middle's not closing up as good. Well, what do you expect? eBay special. So all I've done is just put another clamp on there, and we should be able to bend that no problem. And I'll put you guys on my head. So I do this. So we should, and we only want a little kink in it. Make special. You see, look, it's bending there, not bending the middle for some reason. With a little bit of faffing around, we've made a piece. I've got two lengths made, and don't buy them benders off eBay because they're fucking shit. So well, I managed to get them out. So basically that length is going to go in there and cut, and then this one will be on here and cut, and then you weld it together, and then these are the same profile as those. So all I got to make now is this back piece, and then we can tack it all together and see what it looks like. Well, we've got these cut ready, so I'm going to tack them up, and then I got this bit made for the downwards, and then we'll put it all the way around that glass frame and see how it's looking. I've taken it all apart, I've welded this piece, well, tacked it all on, and now I've opened this up and I've put a little piece in there that I'm now going to tack weld in. Cut the back section ready to go in, so that's going to be placed in like that, tacked, and then we'll do that as well. Nice, coming there. We've got it in there, looking nice. That needs a little bit of sorting out, but that's nothing. But it's looking good. I'm really happy with that. Pretty much got it in. It's not too bad actually. I'm quite happy with what we've got, and we just have to do some fine tuning once we've welded it in, and then I pretty much we're there, which I never thought we'd get to. Together, I just gotta make that triangle piece there. This outer skin is only just pushed on for the moment, so you can see what it all kind of looks like. I'm well happy with that. It's come out really good. So I'm going to sort the triangle bits out, get them cut, get them welded in, and then I can't find where my thing is to go on my head, so I can show you guys that the window goes up and down. I just don't know where it's gone. That triangle bit on, we've got that triangle bit on, and I wanted to show you the glass. I haven't got the mechanism, the winding mechanism on there yet, but when it does, we will have glass that comes down. Yeah boy, how many cars can say they got glass that comes down? So I'm well chuffed with that. So once I wind new things on there, and now I'll put it all together and I'll show you. Well, that's it, pretty much done. Obviously got to leave this out the skin. I got to put a weather strip that goes in there to seal it all off for the window to go up and down. But other than that, we made a door from scratch out of steel, apart from the skin. I didn't think it was possible, and I probably was a couple of you that didn't think it was possible as well. But it just goes to show enough determination and willpower, and anything is possible. And my dream is that much closer, and obviously you got the passenger side to do, but yeah, I suppose you want to see the door go up now. I'll have to take the skin back off to lift the door up because the skin has just popped off, so I'll do that now. Hey, let me just take this piece of glass out just in case it falls out while we're going up and down, because I don't want to break that. And here we go. You ready? Hell yeah. Huh? What do you think about that then? And I got all this to work. I know that goes underneath there when it comes up, because this bit even goes underneath there when it goes up, like the real one. And ta-da! Yay! We done it! Oh, what a hurdle that was. Wow. I got a little bit of bobbing up to do, and little bits here and there because it's only all tacked together at the moment. And then I got to do it all again on the other side. So yeah, over the moon. And I hope you guys are over the moon with it as well. So until then, we shall catch you in the next episode. Keep safe. Love you all. Ciao for now.